Hey guys, so today we will be packing for my birthday trip to Vegas. So excited. Here's all the stuff that I'm planning on packing. A couple dresses, a couple bodysuits, some shoes, my boots, a couple jackets. This is my Fashion Nova jacket with the lion on the back for my son because he's a Leo. So, I might be wearing it with that dress. I have a cardigan. I got another pink dress. I got another sweater blue dress. This is from Fashion Nova as well. I have a No Limit jumper. This is from Shein. I have some jeans just in case I want to rock some jeans in Vegas. Yeah. Then I have my Nikes my husband bought me. And yeah, you see them. Super cute, super cute. Can't wait to rock them. Gotta still find me a shirt to rock them with. These are my boots. I love so much. They go all the way up to my thigh. Also, we have this jacket I love. So yeah, we're gonna be packing up. Here's my suitcase. Guys, welcome back to the channel. We're getting ready for the birthday trip. You hear my son in the background. So yeah, I just waxed my face, did my eyebrows, wax. So now on to the hair. I'm about to wash it and I'll be back with it washed. And we're gonna do some cornrows to the back, get ready for this wig. So I want to come back on here to show you how I'm washing my hair. I am using the Hydrating Macadamia Oil Shampoo, OGX Pure Beauty and Simple. This is what I'm using. So I'm back, and this is my hot head cap, and I will be deep conditioning for, I want to say 30 minutes. I'm gonna probably warm it up twice. This is my first go around. It's hot. It feels so good. And then I'll come back when I'm rinsed out, and we're gonna start this process of getting this hair together for these wigs. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is my hair deep conditions. And yeah. We're gonna semi-blow dry this hair, so we're not gonna put a lot of product on it. As you can see, I did a cornrow. I cannot braid, so don't judge me. Please don't judge me. nails are sparkly. I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the family. I'm gonna have a Vegas lit vlog video coming for you guys. Room tour, food. We doing it big in Vegas for my birthday. You feel me? So yeah. Shout out to all the Capricorns. Happy birthday, happy birthday. It's our season. Thank you guys for over 100 subscribers. We're on the road to 200 right now. I can't wait. Join the family, subscribe, tell a friend to subscribe. Like, please, just like, why not? You know what I mean? It's free. Just hit the button, you know? So, but yeah, so thank you for rocking with me for this video. I know it was a long one. I did everything really myself. It was like a self-pamper day for me. Facial, waxing, hair, nails. I appreciate everyone. Bye.